Today in the cabinet we had only two agendas. The first agenda was the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Bill 2020, and the second was the recommendation of the Standing Committee on the Interstate Council Secretariat of Ministry of Home Affairs on recommendation of the Punji Commission. The first agenda was the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Bill 2020. This particular bill, which will be put up in the Assembly this time for voting to become an act, will ensure and is being done with the objective of making sure that a specific timeline and a time frame is given for any kind of service that the government provides to the people. For example, when you go and apply for caste certificate, then this bill will ensure, this act will ensure that it is given to the people within a specific time period of say 5 days or 7 days. And all other kind of services like driver's license or other kind of registrations. So now with this act in place, the officials who are in the position to give this these particular services and the certificates and necessary other service that is to be given, they will be liable now and punishable if the particular service is not given within a specific period of time. So this will ensure that the overall delivery of service improves at the grassroots level for the people in general. The second was the recommendation of the Standing Committee on the Interstate Council Secretariat. Now these are basically recommendations of the Punji Committee, which was set up in 2007. And after the Punji Committee gave recommendations on certain amendments in the Constitution, the commission was this report was submitted to a standing committee, and the standing committee has then scrutinized and given their opinion on all the recommendations that are there. These recommendations include recommendations like the powers of the governor, the powers in certain time frame of how a bill can be passed or not passed, regarding the different relationship of the state and the center. And so there are many such points, almost about 60-70 points. So it will be very difficult for me to go through all of them right now. And that's the reason why the cabinet took very long. So we had to go through every single recommendation, and the state government has given its opinion on that. And this opinion now will be forwarded to the central government and to the particular council.